I received this product for you to try, but I'm so excited to start wearing those gloves in my long crochet sessions. It feels so good, and I like how long it is, and it covers my wrist here. Very, very comfortable. I like that on the back you can also check the sizes for future references. So much information inside. Love it. They feel very well. Let's try crocheting. I like how the grippy part keeps my crochet hook in place, and it's very easy to maneuver it too. And even the tension of my yarn is much better. I am a loose crocheter, so this gives me a good tension since the yarn goes on the grippy part too. And it looks good, and it's very comfortable around my crochet hook. I'm very happy with them.